Okay. Just ignore the hair wispies today because this is just how it is. Hi everyone, today I am going to be doing an update on my project pan, and this one is not as disappointing as the last update was. Still not amazing progress, but we did use up 2 items, which means we can switch in 2 more new items, and I do have another item that I'm kind of putting on the chopping block, kind of like I did last month with the face mask. So let's just jump into this. This is the MAC lipstick samples, and I was using Hug Me. I actually did use this at least once or twice, so it skimmed through this past month. I hope that I get to use it a little bit more. I do really like it. I really need to reach for it more, because this being a sample thing like this, like, I just feel like I just need to use it up, or I need to get rid of it. But since I did use it at least once or twice, we are going to continue working on it. This next one is the chopping block item. This is actually, I think, what I rolled in last time too. This is the Laura Mercier Caviar Eye Stick eye colors, and I had Au Naturel, Amethyst, and Metallic Taupe, and I hadn't picked a color yet. I was just gonna see whichever one I gravitated towards, whichever one I decided to wear. Guys, I didn't even wear any of these, not once. I do like these. It's just, I actually didn't wear eye makeup at all. I think I may have worn mascara, but that's it. So yeah, this is gonna be on the chopping block. Womp womp. Which kind of sucks, because like I said, I do like this, but same like with what I was talking about with the MAC lip products, it's these little foil packety things that are actually already open, so it's not even like I can reseal them, and I just feel like if I'm not reaching for them, I probably shouldn't keep them. I need to use them and use them constantly to use them up. Hopefully I touch this coming month. Maybe I will wear some eye makeup. Next up that I grabbed out of my little bag here is the Nivea Lip Butter in Vanilla and Macadamia Kiss. And this one I have pretty good progress on. So this whole section over here is basically gone. Like, there's a tiny little bit in the crevice down there, but that's it, and it's kind of hard to get to. So I feel like I've been doing really well. So like basically I've only got this much left, like on that side, to use up, so I'm pretty happy with the progress of this one. And I use this all the time, so it's kind of a no-brainer. It will get used up, but it's kind of interesting to see the progress and to see how much I actually use every month. The chopping block one from last month. This is the Freeman, this is the avocado and oatmeal clay mask, and guess what? I did use it. I used it only once. I tried to use it twice. I really tried to use it twice. Because I got myself to use it once, I am not going to get rid of it. I'm going to keep it. Hopefully I'll use it at least one more time this month, and we're just going to keep knocking away at this. Like, it's still a good mask. I actually used it this past month, and it helped with all of my acne crap that's going on my face right now. It's still there, but it definitely helped kind of calm things down a bit. So I just need to have the time, the initiative to put this on my face and go through the process of leaving it on my face and washing it off, because it is helping and it does do something. So I think that I'm gonna hang on to it still. This is one that I actually used up. This is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular 2-in-1 cleanser. This is the one that I think I rolled in last time, and yeah, it's completely gone. It is empty. I think I only used it like maybe 5 times, up to 5 times after that, filming that video. One down, and that means I can bring something in. So I'm going to show you right now what I'm going to bring in to replace it, and that is this Clarins, what's this? One-step gentle exfoliating cleanser with orange extract for all skin types. And this one, it like seems pretty empty, but like there is definitely some still in there. So I'm guessing it's like here. I can't see through it, so I'm not 100% sure, but I'm thinking I'm at least to here where I like pinched it in. This is not something that I use all the time, so we will see. Hopefully I can use this at least a couple of times this month. Okay. The next one that I used up completely, I was almost done with last time, and I did manage to finish it up, and it actually took me quite a bit to use, of times to use it up, that little itty bitty bit that was left, at least 10 times. I feel like, okay, probably up to 10 times is what was left in this container, and I really like this. I am bummed it's gone. I really am, but I'm glad that I was able to work through it. I'm going to be replacing it with this guy, which is a Living Proof Restore Smooth Blowout Concentrate, and I'm just going to kind of use it for the same purpose that I used the other serum, and I've used it like maybe once or twice before. I probably used it up to 3 times before filming this. I think there's still a good amount in here, but I just can't really tell because the sticker, and I tried to put it up to the light and I still can't see through, so. But I don't think I'm going to finish this within this month, but I would like to work on it. I know this has been like a really quick rundown, but I think that that's what these Project Pan updates are going to be going forward, is they're just going to be kind of like a quick run through of what I've been using, if I've used anything up, and maybe some really quick thoughts. That being said, let's move on to the very last item here. KKW Beauty little lip liner, and I have not sharpened it, but I have used it twice, at least twice, this past month. So there's that. I did wear it a couple of times, and I just gonna have slow progress, I think, on this until I start wearing lip products a little bit more, which, speaking of lip products, I am trying to go through my makeup collection and see about using the products that I have, see if there's anything I want to declutter, form some more opinions, maybe discover some new loves of mine, and so check that video out. I will be doing an update probably next week, I don't know, soon, of how that's been going, because I have been wearing lip products a little bit more because of that challenge. And because of that challenge, I've been reaching for this as well as kind of a base layer, and then applying those products on top. There we go. We did okay. We didn't do great, but we didn't do terrible. We did okay. I'd like to do better next time, so fingers crossed. And I will see you next time. I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick rundown update video, and if you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And if you are doing a Project Pan yourself, please leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you're doing. What kind of products are you using? I have to say that in my I think it was my last update video, I had a couple comments from you guys, and they are what encouraged me to actually use this more. Those comments were really what pushed me and kind of gave me some more motivation and confidence to use these products. So thank you so much for those. I do really appreciate it. I appreciate the comments that I get, and yeah, it just means a lot. So thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I will see you all next time. Have a wonderful and beautiful rest of your day. Take care, everyone. Bye.